I am consumed by my anger. Yes. Yes. But along the way, I ask God to give me wisdom to overcome this formidable challenge in my life. But, when I asked God for wisdom, He gave me a lot of problem to solve. Then I asked Him for strength. Until now, He sent me a lot of troubled people to help. What I have realized, my prayer were answered. Yes. Because if God did not give me a lot of wisdom, I wasn't able to solve those formidable problems. And if God did not give me so much strength, I will not able to help those troubled people. So
I was I was in Cagayan until yesterday. I'm living a modest life because what I wanted to do is I would like to share the blessing that I have not only to the less fortunate people of the society but to all the students. I'll show you how the life of the billionaire today, tomorrow, after tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow, and forever. If I could save if I could save 20,000 pesos a day for my everyday cost of living, if the people will not uh, will not appreciate my presence, then they will feel my absence. Now, I would like to live a seldom life, living in a 3,800 hotel, 30 to 40,000 of my daily expenses. Now, I have decided what is the life of wealth and power. How the life using wealth and power. I want to live a seldom life. Yes, seldom. You know, I would love to share it to the people. So, my expenses is only 5,000 to 7,000 a day. Not like Manila, I have to spend 100 to 200,000 a day. Or at least the minimum of 50,000 or 40,000, something like that. To save something. A little so I could share a little to the student or to the less fortunate. I'll show you what I got. To live, just to live seldom, could save, if I could save the half of my expenses, let me share it to someone who really need it. I live with the hotel, in the Valley Hotel. They are very warm, very supportive, especially the administrator of the Valley Hotel. You're living a life of luxurious, then I'll show you what is really luxurious. Show me what you got, show me what you do, show me the luxurious you have, and I'll show you mine.